Okay, we're back again with our second collection in our skincare discovery kit, and this collection is called Balance, and Balance is for oily, combination or blemish prone skin. Beautiful blue, lovely blue. I'll do that separately. Beautiful blue packaging, and the illustrator of that I will have a look for you. Have they all been illustrated by the same? Yes, hang on a minute. No, the original one was illustrated by Sharon Nersisian from Los Angeles. The Glow, Nourish and Balance were exclusively illustrated by Jess Miller of Los Angeles. And in our Balance collection, we have beautiful smoothing cleanser again, 50ml, and bamboo face cloth. And so these are all the greens and blues that we call that really good for difficult skin, and it's fab to see it's got one of our new Ocean Dive 6ml. Yeah, that is absolutely great for difficult skin, isn't it? To really get into the pores and really clean them out, and also for reducing skin pores. I had a big open pore on the top of my head. I've had it since I was a teenager, and I'm really working on that, Deb, and it's really reducing my pore, and I'm very happy with that because I've hated it. My hole in my head, I used to call it my hole in my head, and that's amazing how it's closing that pore. And then we also have Pure Lagoon 6ml, which is great for putting on, and that helps with the flora, doesn't it?
Yes, yeah, that helps just clear everything out.
Clear everything out. And then our very trusty Super Greens, which is one of our top sellers.
Come out. Hang on.
They don't want to come out. Yeah. So that's lovely because that's got a cleanser and all the serums
This is just
for really difficult skin.
It says on the lid here, usually blemishes or excess oil simply mean your skin needs a little nudge to set its balance in the right direction. Taking your skin on a journey of discovery, the powerful minis in this kit have been carefully selected to balance sebum levels, nourish your skin's good bacteria, calm inflammation and clear pores to leave your skin feeling clear and happy.
Lovely. So that's really
one. Absolutely perfect.
That's a gift.
Acne prone
Teenagers, teenagers who are getting spots and blemishes and things. It's and it looks absolutely beautiful, doesn't it? So well done to Tropic is really what lovely, I say. Yeah, so beautiful.
And there's also instructions on how to use, what order you use everything in there.
We
as
love
well.
that, don't we?
Yeah.
We love that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Brilliant. Okay,